Hello everyone, today we're going to explore the beautiful world of bridal mehndi. Designs those enchanting and intricate patterns that add a touch of magic to the bride's wedding day. Mehndi, which means mud in Hindi, is a traditional Indian henna painting technique that is often used to decorate hands and feet for special occasions such as weddings. There are countless mehndi designs available, each with its unique charm and style. Here are some popular bridal mehndi designs. 1. Geometric patterns. These intricate designs featuring lines, dots, and shapes can be created using various shades of red, gold, and silver henna. They can be either minimalistic or elaborate, depending on the bride's preferences. 2. Floral designs. Delicate flowers such as roses, daisies, and lilies are a timeless choice for a romantic and feminine mehndi design. These can be either single or multicolored and placed on the fingers, toes, or even the palm. 3. Abstract patterns. For a modern and bold mehndi design, try experimenting with different shapes, lines, and colors to create a unique and eye-catching pattern. 4. Marble patterns. This design mimics the marble look, which is achieved by using different shades of blue and green henna to create a marbled effect on the nails. 5. Bollywood-inspired designs. Bollywood mehndi designs often feature vibrant colors, bold patterns, and an array of Bollywood-inspired motifs such as paisley, zardozi, and mehndi motifs. 6. Animal prints. For a fierce and stylish look, try incorporating animal print designs like leopard, zebra, or snake patterns on your nails. 7. Geometric shapes. Simple yet elegant, geometric shapes can be a sleek and modern addition to your mehndi design. In conclusion, the choice of bridal mehndi design is truly personal and depends on the bride's individual style and taste. Whether you prefer something minimalistic or bohemian, there's a mehndi design out there to suit every bride's vision.